एंड दिल्ली में फ्लडेड देखा था, कितनी बारिश में पूरी सड़कें भरी हुई थी गुड़गांव की। हाँ, तो आई सेड यार इतना सड़कें भरी पड़ी हैं यार। तो शी सेड तुम तो नेवी में थे ना। How many of you been to Starbucks? Everybody's been to Starbucks? Everybody's been to Starbucks. So I was standing in Starbucks. I suddenly felt that somebody came and stood on my left side. And I didn't look, but then with the fragrance, I realized it was a lady. I think उनके मोबाइल में उनका GPS on रह गया था. And suddenly her phone said, your destination is on the right. So I looked at her, and she looked at me, and both of us smiled. And then I said, let me buy you a coffee, since I'm your destination. है ना? So we sat down, we started talking. It was about 5:30. It started raining outside. So she asked me this question. She said, do you like to walk in the rain? ये खांसी क्यों आ जाती है लोगों को इस बात? Yeah, because there's this saying now, I walk in the rains because nobody can see my tears and all that stuff. I said, no, not today. She said, क्यों तुम पिघल जाओगे? मैंने कहा नहीं, I'm wearing very expensive shoes. she said, तुम गाजियाबाद में रहते हो, बहुत दूर है. मैंने कहा मैं तुमसे कौन सा पिज़्ज़ा डिलीवरी करवा रहा हूँ? क्योंकि हमारे रेंज में नहीं आता ये. ठीक है यार. तो she said, okay, I live in Gurgaon. Why don't we go and grab an early dinner? And दिल्ली में फ्लडेड देखा था, कितनी बारिश में पूरी सड़कें भरी हुई थी गुड़गांव की. हाँ, तो आई सेड यार इतना सड़कें भरी पड़ी हैं यार. तो शी सेड तुम तो नेवी में थे ना. हाँ, नहीं तू तो चप्पू सोच रहा है. उसके दिमाग में बोलती है सबमरीन ले लो. कह रही मैंने बहुत सबमरीन देखी. मैंने कहा दिल्ली में? क्या देख लिया? वो ये सबमरीन है? नहीं. No, let's go. So I said, okay, we'll do that. So we went and we were having dinner, and then she says, I've got this very amazing homemade mango ice cream in my fridge. So then I realized that she was a little younger and all. She said, age is just a number. So I was tempted, obviously, for the ice cream. Okay. So we went back to her place to have ice cream. Ice cream. Do you eat mangoes? Do you eat mangoes? No, you don't like mangoes, right? Minnie? You like mangoes? How do you like to eat them? Homemade ice cream. I know, I get it. So I said, okay. So we went, and so whilst we were at it, she was like, who says you're 54? I said, मेरी माँ. हाँ, मतलब my birth certificate, but कागज नहीं दिखाऊंगा. She said, no, you don't feel 54 at all. So when I started getting up, मेरे घुटने से आवाज आई टक टक. She's like, what's that? I said, knock, knock, 55. It didn't end there. ये और टिल्ट हो गया तुम्हारे बगल में. कंधे पे रख लो तुम, कोई नहीं. और बोलो साथ में, ये मेरा बेटा नहीं है, मैं इसकी माँ नहीं हूँ. मेरे ऑनलाइन शोज में तो हो जाता है. यहाँ का मुझे नहीं पता. So question to all of you. How many people know a word called hickey? Ladies, you know, Minnie, you know, love marriage? You have no idea, love marriage? एक मिनट, सारी बातें तुम्ही से करूँगा क्या? You have no idea, ma'am, no idea, no idea, no idea. You have an idea now. आंटी जी को पता नहीं, ये तो उस जमाने की. तो मुझे भी नहीं. I feel, हाँ, sorry. No, that was an assumption. Yeah, no ways, yeah. तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. I didn't know what is a hickey. I was completely lost. So I got up and I went to the fridge. She said, क्या हो गया? और आइसक्रीम चाहिए? मैंने कहा नहीं. मैंने 3 हरी मिर्ची निकाली और मैंने कहा एक साथ खा ले, रात भर हिकी हिकी करती रहेगी। सो हिकी का मतलब होता है लव बाइट। ओ ये वो वाली जो कहती है यहां काट दे, मुझे मीठा दर्द दे दे। Bite me anywhere and leave me a mark. You'll go home tonight and
Ask him to give me a hickey. Oh.
and if he knows what is a hickey, then you can find a divorce lawyer.
It sound right, boy.